Hi, I have something very exciting to share with you today. They look like this. I have dark brown and medium brown, and there's also a spray applicator. I'm going to open all these up and get it set up, and then I will be right back. Okay, so when you open up the hair fibers, it looks like this, so you can shake it on your head. The hair fibers will stay put into your next shampoo, but you can put a little extra hairspray on your hair to like hold it on a little better. They're absolutely safe. They're made from gentle plant-based fibers that are safe for your scalp and your hair. They will not cause hair loss. They're non-invasive. They won't harm your hair. There's also an applicator that you can like turn on, screw on here, so that you can aim it directly where you need it, and we will get back to that in a minute. But first I'm going to put this on my hair. So my problem area is up here, and then on my side you can see I have a lot of very thin pieces here, so maybe we could get that taken care of today. So I'm gonna sprinkle it on and grab a comb and see how it looks here. Oh wait, it looks really good actually. Wow. So I'm gonna screw this top off now and put the nozzle on, and then we're going to aim it here. Wow, look at that. That's incredible. This is exciting. So I'm gonna just rub it in a little bit. Then I'm gonna do the other side. And then I'm gonna pull my hair up so you can see if that adds any. If you get too much, all you have to do is comb it through and blend it out. Okay, so let's see how this looks. So back this side. Yeah, and you can see how much thicker it looks. That is really, really, really nice. I got a little bit on my forehead. And then if you want it to stay put, you just add a little bit of hairspray just to give it some extra hold, and then you're good. I actually might wear my hair up this week for work because I really think this is cute now. I look like I have a lot thicker hair here, as you can see. Okay, then the other thing we're gonna do is add it with a topper. So I'm gonna use my Courtney upgraded topper. Let's get this on. I wore this to a wedding right before I got my hair cut, and it was so nice. Okay, I love this topper. It's actually, I think I have 4 toppers, and this one is my favorite. So then right here you have this spot that we're gonna fill in. Oh, I love that. This is really easy to use. I thought there might be a learning curve, but it's not at all. You just have to put it on and decide whether you want to use the sprinkle or the nozzle directed directly to your hairline. It's amazing. Thank you. Bye.